Alright, what I'd like to demonstrate today is you might say a launch sequence programmer for my Kerboard, which is a Kerbal Space Program Control Board, a hardware Kerbal Space Program Control Board. So the goal of this is that you'll be able to lock down the controls of the Kerboard until launch sequence code has been plugged in, at which point you can access the controls. So I've got that working, but I would like to demonstrate it for everybody who's watching. So first part. Here's my setup right now. This is what the Kerboard looks like. Now if you notice, over here we have a red screen with nothing on it. We have actually two Arduinos, one right there, both hooked up to one another. And then we have a bunch of controls, like a joystick, a throttle stick, a bunch of buttons over here. But the main part of this that we're going to be looking at today is the keypad and the screen. So if we look at it like this, we'll know that if we punch in keys on the keypad, they show up on the screen most of the time. There you go. They are. Now, if you hit a pound key or the hash for all you new internet people, something special happens. You are now required to punch in a launch code. So you hit the pound button, and you go 4, 3, 5, 5 was my launch code, and then it turns green or blue. I'm sorry, blue, and it says entry granted. So that's the crux of the system. Now, one thing I would like to demonstrate, but it's going to be a little bit hard without screen recording software, is the fact that these controls here are actually locked out until you punch in that launch sequence. So that's all I have for you. Thank you very much.